You know what? I have a little suggestion for you if you don't mind. I'm thinking it's time for you to pack up your little guitar, take your floral kimono and your fancy little scars, and just walk yourself that way.
Well, you know what, Trish? Why don't we just cut to the chase, okay? Why don't we just get right down to it? The reason you came out here is because you, just like thousands of other women, you want to walk with Elias.
Yeah.
But I have to break it to you, Trish. I don't date women in their 60s.
You know what happened?
Shut up!
Is now really the time for that?
Shut up! You stupid idiots! And your husband is a disgrace. Nah. Matter of fact, your whole family is a disgrace. Now I'm the authority.
Now! Shut up, ginger jackass.
Yo, I went down to the beach and I saw Nick, and he was all like, yo, Russ, and I was like, shut the fuck up!
Away from me and the Elimination Chamber match. You know, and if I were you, I would stop bragging about beating up John Cena.
Check this out. Here, let me help you up. Psych! Why don't you ask Margaret to help you up? Hey, so I sorta need your help.
Why don't you ask your new bros for help?
That's my fault! That's your fault! What am I supposed to goddamn babysit you in the fucking ring? Fucking curious! You had your golden boy jumping from behind!
Fist hits your face, your mouth goes shut.
And if you're not down with that, I got 3 words for you. And for you. Suck my
Whoa! Scouted by Jericho, and uh-oh. This may be the beginning of the end if Jericho can step through.
1, 2,